Hello, I'm doing a 7MAGIC hairdryer that I just bought. It comes with this box over here, like this. And it was inside here. And this is the hairdryer itself. So it's a pretty small one, relatively small. And then you can actually fold this in two ways, like this and another time. Just like this, and you can carry it with you. So you can put this inside this bag over here. I haven't tried it yet, but it should fit really. It's a good quality bag as well. And of course the instructions. And I always wonder what this is for, but yeah. So I already tried it on. I tried it. I just took a shower, and then it has 3 different settings over here. These two on the top are the hot ones, and this one is the cold one. And I'm going to show you in the video, but the cold one over here is as strong as the hottest one, the strongest one over here as well. So when you're actually drying your hair and you prefer it without heat, this is going to be of good use for sure. I think I'm going to be using this from now on. Okay, let me show you. So yep, as you can hear, the cold air is really strong, and then it is strong enough for drying hair as well. And for its size, I thought since it is a small one, it's not going to be as strong, but the strongest one over here, the heat, also is really strong. So whenever I'm making my hair, I'll be able to use this with this thing over here. And since I can carry this with me, I'll be able to use it when I'm traveling as well. And I think it's pretty good for the price as well, for its size and for its functions as well. It's really strong. It took short time drying my hair, even though it is my hair is pretty short. But I'm pretty sure that girls are not going to have any problems drying their hair as well with this, because this is stronger one than the one that I used before. Revlon is a larger one, but this one is a stronger one. So anyways, thank you for watching.
What's really great about this hairdryer is that if you look at it, the back part can be removable. So if you take the cap off, twist to the left, take it off, there's a little air filter inside, so you can clean the lint off very easily. Having this feature is also really nice because if you have longer hair, we all know that just these holes would catch your hair, and then it would be, you know, all tangled up in there. Another really great feature about this hairdryer is it has 3 settings. If you can take a look, it has cool, low, warm, and then a high warm. Another great feature is that it's very long, so the nozzle can get underneath the hair, and it can get it has a really powerful output. Another great feature is that this dryer in specific can actually be folded, so it can be used in one way, or you can fold it and it can be used this way. So overall, I recommend this hairdryer. It's really lightweight, it's portable. Over time, I'm scared that this will flake or this will, but I've been using it for a while and it has not flaked yet. But my biggest thing is this: for having long hair, it really helps.
Hi everybody, I want to show you the hairdryer I received that I purchased from Amazon. It's a very, very sleek and lightweight. It has a cooling fan on it, and it's the first button that you receive. Oh, it feels so good. And as you can see, I have very thick hair. I live in the Freeport, Florida area, and the sun really beats down on it. With the hairdryer, with this hairdryer I received, it's very cool and comfortable when I need it to be, and it dries your hair completely and quickly. You don't have to spend hours drying your hair. And with the cooling element, it really makes a huge difference. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your purchase.
Lo que tomes de música, ellos no terminan. Los muralistas, con toda esta cultura, y estamos celebrando una cultura aquí, es lo que voy a decir, y así como hablando, y qué bueno que me invitas. Yo cuando una vez cuestioné a Pignero Ibarra, le dije, y lo voy a decir con el francés, mira cabrón.
It's super compact, pretty quiet. It folds up super easy. Love it.